Hello friends, you encounter these error codes when trying to install the January 2026 security update for Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2. Multiple troubleshooting tips were tried to fix these errors, but in most of the cases, they didn't work either. The only method that works in this case is in place upgrade. We are trying to provide here some effective tips, including the in place upgrade to fix the errors. So follow those steps. The first method is fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix problems using Windows Update. Click on the Reinstall Now button. Click OK on this pop-up. Once you click on OK, a repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will start downloading. Let the download complete and after completion, restart your computer. A pop-up will appear showing Restart Now. Click on that option in that pop-up. Then again try to install the security update. The next method is perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on this link which says download Windows 11. On this page, scroll down and go to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download and select this option. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link here and follow the steps accordingly. Click on confirm for x64 devices. Then you have to select the product language. Check the language of your system. Click on start. Go to settings. Then click on time and language. Go to language and region. Here is the product language, English United States. Check on your system and select the language here. Click on choose one and select the language of your system. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once the downloading is completed, click on the folder icon. Right click on the ISO file and select mount. Click on open. Right click on setup.exe and select open. On this window, uncheck this option. I want to help make the installation better. This will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on next. For applicable notices and license terms in this window, click on accept. Click on install here. Your computer will restart 2 or 3 times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the security update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.